Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with power and connectivity. Make sure the earbuds and case have charge, and open Bluetooth settings on your phone. Once done, remove both earbuds from the case to power them on. Doing this wakes the internal radio. If the earbuds were previously paired to another device, make sure that device's Bluetooth is off or forgotten. This minimizes automatic reconnections. Now get ready to force the earbuds into discoverable mode so your phone can find them quickly. Next, you'll put the earbuds into pairing or discoverable mode. Press and hold the touch sensor or pairing button on an earbud for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue or shows the alternate pattern. Once you see the indicator, the earbuds broadcast a Bluetooth name. On your phone, scan the list of available devices. Stay on that Bluetooth screen so you can confirm the connection. If you hear a tone, that also tells you pairing mode is active. Tap the device name to connect. Finish by selecting the earbud's Bluetooth name on your device and accepting any prompts. You should hear a confirmation tone and see connected. Make sure media audio is enabled in Bluetooth settings so sound routes correctly. If pairing fails, put both earbuds back in the case, close it for 10 seconds, then reopen and repeat the pairing hold step. If that still fails, restart your phone and try again. Often a quick device restart clears lingering Bluetooth caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.